I wish we had a third player to play with us. Yeah. Well, you're here again. Yeah, man. Definitely am. I hope it's just not Nerf War 4. Because I don't want to die. Yeah, I don't want to die. Hopefully nothing enters our way. Well, yes. Ow! 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 What the hell is that? Ow! 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 What the hell? Ow! 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 What is that? What is that? I see a dog. What is that? Ow! 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 Shut up, you dog shit! Huh? That dog deserved it. He's just down there on the floor. I threw a fucking rock at him. Fuck that dog. Yeah, fuck that dog. Looks like some white piece of shit. Butter. Cancer. It looks like butter, cancer, and fucked and shit mashed together with potatoes. And yummy pasta. La lista, baby. Oh yeah, wish I could play with them. On the Crappy Bird guy. You should know me. Black and White, Nerdy Piggy, Crappy Bird. Check out that channel, it's mine. Let's go to that channel. Well, hopefully nothing answers us. Oh damn, fucking hell! Why against? Do I wanna go check? Who the fuck's at the door? It's me. Wait, you don't know a Nerf gun? So I'm supposed to be? No. Whatever, come on. Looks like we found an extra friend. Who is it? Me! Oh. Yep, he's a pretty smart ass. You like red, apple, shit, dog shit, rocks, mashed together. Hey, can you just go stand on that racket over there? What racket? That racket where the dog is? No, trust me, just go over there. Okay, I'm gonna go over there. Okay, I'm over here. And why you have a rock in your hand? Just for no reason. Yeah, just for no reason. Stand there in 10, 9, 8, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I missed. Finn, go get some rocks. Okay. I'll just grab this. Fuck. I got this. I'll just grab this. Little rock, yeah. Here's the little rock. So, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Fuck you. Damn it. Again. Fuck you.